Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iPad model and that it's on iOS 9. 3. 5. This tells you whether Apple still allows a direct update path. Next, backup. Use iCloud or connect to iTunes because updates can fail and you need a restore point. Once done, plug the iPad into power and join a reliable Wi-Fi network. Updates are large and will pause without power or connectivity. Make sure you free about 1-2 GB of space so the installer can download and unpack safely. You now navigate to Settings, then General, then Software Update, and let the device check for available releases. That step locates incremental packages Apple still serves. Tap Download and Install, agree to prompts, and watch the progress bar. Keep it charging and on Wi-Fi so it won't stall. If the over-the-air option reports no update or fails repeatedly, connect to a computer and run iTunes to download the correct IPSWA and install manually. This can resolve server or storage negotiation issues. Once installation finishes, follow the Setup Assistant to sign back into your Apple ID and re-enable services. This finalizes activation and restores settings. Make sure apps update in the App Store and check your photos and messages. If something didn't carry over, restore from the backup you made earlier. If the iPad gets stuck, repeatedly shows error codes, or won't boot, try a DFU restore via iTunes that erases and reloads firmware, which often recovers devices that traditional updates cannot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.